Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can scan QR codes using your iPhone camera and you won't have to download any third-party apps whatsoever. So to begin, the very first thing you want to do is go into the settings on your iPhone and you just want to ensure that the ability to scan QR codes within the camera app is actually enabled. So I'm just going to go to settings. Now, once I'm in here, I just want to scroll all the way down until I see the camera icon. Now I just want to tap into here. Now once I'm in here, I just want to go ahead and ensure that the scan QR codes is enabled, which will be highlighted in green. So if yours is grey, you just want to go ahead and turn that on. And now we will have the ability to scan QR codes directly from the camera app on either the iPhone or iPad device. So once I've gone ahead and done that, I'm now going to go ahead and open up the camera app. So I'm just going to open that one now. So once I go ahead and open up the camera app, the next thing I want to do is just go ahead and bring the QR code into frame on the iPhone. And if it's on a product, you just want to hover your phone over it, or maybe if the QR code is on a billboard or a plaque, you just want to go ahead and simply drag your photo over the QR code, and you just want to give it some distance as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And there you have it, guys. The iPhone camera literally recognizes the QR code instantly, and we now have this notification. So if I go ahead and press this, this will take me to the link that is associated with the QR code. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this now. And in this instance, unfortunately, the website that is associated with the QR code actually isn't working. And I've found this to be the case for many QR codes as they're not regularly updated or maintained. However, in your instance, this will hopefully take you to a website that is actually working. But anyway, guys, that's how you can scan QR codes directly on the camera on your iPhone or iPad device. So I hope this quick video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see any other videos around iPhones or iPads, please drop your ideas down below in the comment section, as I'll be more than happy to help all of you out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.